Hello and welcome to another Landis Attendant Console for Microsoft Teams feature spotlight. Our spotlight today is going to be about using contact groups within Landis Attendant Console. So we're talking about these groups over here on the right side. They're groupings of my internal contacts, the people that I could transfer calls to. These will be set up however it is that you think about your organization. So you might divide them by location, or job title, or team, or department, however it is that you think about your organization. And let's first of all think about what these groups are, why we have them, what they're for. Twofold. One is just so that you can quickly get to a contact when you have a call that you need to transfer. You can quickly find the person that you need to transfer to faster than you could search for them. So that's the first reason for the group. The second is around visibility. And so one of the features that everybody loves about Attendant Console is that we can see people's team's presence. And when you combine that visibility with a group, so if I would have a call and they would say, I want to talk to someone on this particular sales team, I could glance at this and go to this group and just look at it and say, well, hey, Preston or Paul are the only people that I have available right now that I could transfer to. So I'm going to transfer to one of them. And so it helps me with that visibility that I can see a whole team at one time and see who I have available that I can transfer to. So very helpful. I am going to show you how to set these groups up now. So we're going to come into settings and we're going to go to contacts. Under contacts, you'll see a list of any groups you already have set up, but we're going to go to new to set up a new group. These groups, we're going to use new search group. These others are for specialized situations, but we'll go new search group. And then we come to this page that allows us to build this group. So we're going to name the group, whatever we want the group name to be on the label there on the right-hand side. So I'm going to name it test. And then here is where we pick what search terms we want it to be looking for. So we can say, we want everybody from a certain department, the sales department or accounting or whatever that may be. A certain office location, maybe a job title, or we can combine these. So I could do account executives at the effort or location. And what we're doing here is building search terms that are then when we click on that group, it's going to be doing a search of your Active Directory and Entra ID and returning all the contacts that match that. The great thing about this is that if I do a group that is account executives at the effort or location, and tomorrow we hire somebody new that is an account executive at the effort or location, they're automatically going to show up in this group without me maintaining the group at all because it is a search group. But if I do none of that, if I just leave all of this blank, all I've done is named the group and I've left everything else blank, and I save that, I've still created a group. But now it's an empty container. So I would come here and I would search for contacts one at a time that I want to add to that group. I'd click on the three dots, add to contacts, and I could start building that group manually. Now, I might use this in a case where I'm wanting to put a group together that is very diverse across departments and locations and everything. There's no real way to build search around them. I can still create that group. One other thing is if I'm just on a contact, I can start creating a group from here by add to contact group, and then I can either create a new group or add that to one of the existing groups. So I hope that's been helpful, how you set up the groups, how you use the groups, why they're important. If you have questions, you want help setting these up, or you have questions about implementing this in your organization, feel free to reach out to us at landistechnologies.com.